I want to tell you about a security company I recently analyzed. $60 million in annual revenue, 2,000 officers in the field, 26 years in business, named one of the top 25 security firms in North America. Their clients include Hilton, Hines, and Transwestern. And on Google Maps, across the entire DFW Metroplex, they are invisible. When someone searches security services near me in Dallas or Fort Worth, this $60 million company doesn't appear in the top three. They don't appear in the top 10. They are ranked beyond position 20. When I tested ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini with the question, who's the best corporate security firm in Dallas? Not a single one of them mentioned the company. They recommended competitors. This company is losing an estimated $300,000 to $1.2 million a year in revenue. Not because they're bad at security, they're elite. They're losing it because their digital presence does not match the size and quality of their actual business, and they had no idea. That's why I built the free AI visibility analysis. I'm Ken Hamilton. I run AI Abundance here in DFW. If you run a service business, professional services, home services, or commercial, there is a very real chance you have the same problem. You're doing great work, your phone should be ringing, and somewhere out there, a competitor with a worse business but better digital signals is eating your lunch. The free analysis I run for you covers everything: where you currently rank on Google Maps across every city you serve, whether ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI overviews are recommending you or your competitors, your EEAT score, which is the trust framework Google uses to decide who deserves to rank, your schema markup, your site security, your review profile, your structured data, all of it. And I tell you exactly what's costing you money, where the gaps are, and what to fix first. No pitch, no pressure, no obligation. You either use the report to fix it yourself or you hire me to fix it for you. Either way, you walk away knowing the truth about your digital footprint, which most business owners have never actually seen. Go to ai-abundance.com and request your free AI visibility analysis. Takes you 60 seconds to request, takes me a few days to deliver, and could be worth six figures a year to your business. The competitors taking your work right now, they already know this game. It's time you did too.